What up, friends? Hope you guys are well. So in this video I want to talk about working hard in 2026 and why working hard in 2026 is pointless. It's a scam. Reason number one is there's AI now. What I've noticed is, at least over the last 18 months, a lot of capital, a lot of wealth is flowing to those that know how to utilize AI to their advantage. Let me repeat that. Most of the wealth is flowing to those that know how to use AI the right way. It started off with the ones that have built AI platforms. So all the AI platforms that you know, like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, those are the ones that started making money early during this AI revolution that we're going through. We're going through an AI revolution, guys. This is what you need to understand. There's a second phase that is currently happening right now. The first phase started like maybe a year and a half, so 18 months ago, 2 years. When ChatGPT dropped, that's when everybody started to compete and a bunch of people became wealthy, immensely wealthy. The second phase came in now. People that know how to use these platforms, creating efficiencies in whatever business industries that they're in, automating workflows, these are the new guys that are making money right now. That means the ones that are working harder and harder are losing. If you're working harder and harder, you're a loser now. And a lot of these people that are making money off of designing workflows, they're laughing at people like you. But I'm not laughing at you. I'm here to keep it real with you and give you all the game. I'm telling you what's currently happening is there are people that are only working 2-3 hours a day, sometimes only 1 hour a day, and making more money than you. Let that sink in. Now, I don't think this is gonna last forever. This is probably gonna last, I'll say maybe 3 more years. We're gonna see this for at least 3 more years. For every industry, there are people that are experienced, that have a lot of experience. And out of those people that have a lot of experience, only a few are willing to take chances and risks. And out of those few that are willing to take chances and risks, there's also gonna be a smaller group of those that know and embrace new technology. This has been happening for decades now. Let's go back to when the internet first came out. There were people that knew how to build websites. So that was the first wave. That's why there was this like whole .com bubble that finally burst in 2001, I think it was. So back in 2001, when the internet first came out, the ones that were building websites, there was a website called pets.com. There was another one called van.com or something like that. These people just built a website, started telling everybody about it, and they made a lot of money. Then the second wave was people like Jeff Bezos, who knew how to sell products online. Then he became wealthy. And then the other thing that came up was crypto. When Bitcoin first came out, and I remember this, and I'm mad as hell. Back in 2012 or 2014 there, and I had an opportunity to at least buy 5 Bitcoin. And I remember somebody telling me, yo, go buy this Bitcoin thing. But I wasn't on top of my game at the time, and I was making money, but I wasn't on top of my game. I was distracted by bullshit. You know how it goes. I was young, distracted by the bullshit. And this, many of you guys, you're probably not young, but you're distracted by the bullshit, so you're gonna miss this wave. This AI wave, you're gonna miss it. So I missed buying Bitcoin back in 2012, 2014. And just go look how much Bitcoin was back in 2014. Just go look at it. And I had the money then. I had it. And I could be chilling with like 10 million by now, probably. I don't know. I could have had a lot of money by now. One guy came to me and suggested it. Only one guy, and I didn't listen to him. And instead what I did was, I went to hang out with these guys who were just drinking, hanging out, wasting time. There are people now that know how to automate systems so well that you don't need to hire 5 people anymore. In fact, a lot of what I do is I help people design systems so they don't have to hire physical human beings anymore. This is how crazy AI has become. It's scary that I can start a business today, and then probably within 3 months, I can be able to make so much money with almost no staff. So if you're the type of person that thinks that you're gonna work your way out of this economy, grind it out, work hard, you're playing yourself. You're hustling backwards. You're wasting time. What you need to do is you need to learn what the wealthy people are currently doing, what the winners are currently doing. And this starts by you being around like-minded people, not surrounding yourself with bullshitters, people that are wasting time. I'll put a link in the description of this video. Schedule a call so I can add you to my private membership group so you can be around other winners, so you can win. So you cannot be living in regret like I am about Bitcoin. Many of you have the money. Many of you have access to the money for you to start your own business and leverage this AI thing and build the right systems. But you don't do it. You're going to live in regret. If you run an HVAC, roofing, or plumbing business in the US, listen to this. Right now, you're probably stuck in the day-to-day calls, scheduling, follow-ups, admin chaos, and it's keeping you tied to your business. But what if your business could run without you? I help home service business owners automate their workflows using AI. From lead intake and booking to customer follow-ups to job management. So instead of working in your business 24/7, you can finally step back and live life on your terms. I'm talking about running your business remotely from a peaceful, lower cost of living country with more freedom and way less stress. And here's the shift you need to make in this new economy. Stop chasing low-ticket, price-sensitive customers and start positioning your services for high-net-worth clients. People who value speed, quality, and reliability and will gladly pay for it. Less volume, higher margins, better clients is what you deserve. If you want to turn your business into something that gives you time, location, and financial freedom, then let's talk. Schedule a call, invest in yourself. I'll also add you to my private membership group of other home service business kings that are already winning with this strategy.